Set the wheels in motion for success with a diesel equipment technology degree from Gateway. In this 2-year associate degree program, you'll train hands-on at Gateway's world-class Horizon Center for Transportation Technology. In the Diesel Technology Lab, you'll learn how to repair and maintain trucks, as well as off-road, stationary, and construction equipment, and work with the most cutting-edge equipment thanks to the college's long-standing partnership with Snap-on.
You've got every single tool you could ever imagine. It makes it feel like you're actually working. It's not just sitting in a classroom studying. It's working, getting hands-on experience. It's a great environment to be in.
Plus, you'll benefit from Gateway's expert instructors who have years of real-world experience.
By the end of this, I tell them, you are going to have the skills to be a successful technician. And that's the main goal. That's why all of us instructors and the school itself is here.
Graduates will be prepared to work on important vehicles like buses and trucks or construction, agricultural and marine equipment. Fuel up your future as a diesel technician. Get started today.